My name is Alex Dessler, and this is my first educational video for the YouTube site assignment, for CC 111. So this is basically what I'm going to do is explain what an if statement is and give a short few examples about how to use one. So I would consider the if statement to be probably the most fundamental conditional just the most fundamental usage inside, not usage, but basically the most fundamental thing to use inside of programming in general. So how it works is you have an if, and then you set something inside the condition. If it's true, then it runs whatever is inside the if statement. If it's false, then you can either have a else statement or an else if statement, or you can just have it do nothing if it's false. So here is three examples. I'll add one more. So I have an int x equals 5 and y equals 15, simple numbers. And here's how you do it. So if y is greater than x, so 15 greater than 5, which would be true. So then if I run it, it's getting blocked. If I run it, and it says y equals greater than x, because if it counted. So I'll change this to be 10 and this to be 8. Compile it. And then it says x is greater than y. So simple. You can also do a little bit more advanced things inside an if statement. So for instance, I have if x is greater than 10 and y is greater than 10, then it prints both. So I'll make this 12 and this to be 13. And then it says, pulls up. It says x is, it went through, but yeah, it went through more than one statement. But both x and y are greater than 10. I also have, I can make something similar. So like if x is greater than y, so what you can do is, if you want to do something a little more advanced, and you can do an else, as I shown inside the example. Then you can do if x is greater than y, then print this, or if not, then x is not greater than y. Or you can do an else if x is less than y. Then you can do x is less than y. So save. And so x is greater than y because x is. Now if I set x to like 4, this is x is less than y. So it failed this one, so it went to the else if x is indeed less than 12. So it printed it out. So this is really, really bare bones, basic usage of if statements, but to someone completely new starting out, it'll be pretty helpful. Thanks.